Cause I ain't done nothing on the GoPro in a while. This super view, I don't know about this super view here. Like super view might be okay. Like super view will be able to get y'all everything, so I'm gonna keep it in super view. Try something new. Cruising out at night, about to do some things. But of course, if you enjoy any content you see on this video, on this channel, or if you enjoy the point of views, make sure you subscribe. I look back, I ain't see nothing. You know what's crazy? Not yet, buddy. Got a brother over there. It was a good night to have the GoPro. Smoked him if I was racing. He thought we was going straight. I just didn't want him to cut in front of me for the on ramp. Pulling up. Find my people, please. Who's that? Oh, that's what's his face. Where's these people at? I just messed up my GoPro the way I wanted it to be. Oh my God. Can I help you, sir? Where you been at? What you mean where I've been at? Did I miss something? Late, huh? They wild. These Charger dudes is wild. They different. Come on.
Piece of shit!
to the chargers to do all the extra. Turning radius doo-doo. What's that clanking sound? Oh my God. Move my jump right here. She got a burnout going on over there. I mean, this dude right there, it might be a wrap for him, I don't know. But you know. Got the clip here, got the clip there, and then of course we keep extra as well, so you know. In my GoPro stuff right here, roll the windows up so I can end it. If you enjoyed this video, if you'd like to see more GoPro content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share the channel. Browse for more. Follow me on Instagram at Jrgnthestreet, and have a nice night.